What's going up, guys? It's the Loners FC here, and today we're playing footwiz.com/en/ and we are trying, this goal for this video is going to try and get Ronaldo, a legend, or one of the team of the weeks in form.
And did get I think he got a legend on his phone, and he got Ronaldo, and he got Messi. And Neymar, I think.
I've got four Ronaldos and 3 Messis yesterday. And then I got a Ronaldo and Messi when I came home from Jets. And then I got Messi this morning, and I got informed Diego Costa and Ronaldo in the same pack. And when I opened this, I got my first pack. I got Eden Hazard in form and Luis Suarez.
He screamed in my ear and I screamed back at him.
Yeah, he's like, shut up. I was going to hit him. Alright. Well, we're doing a pack opener.
It's literally like a laptop from here.
Got Cuadrado.
Cristiano
Ronaldo!
Where? Oh.
There he is, everyone! First pack, and I got him. I feel like ending it, but it's too quick. No, I'm going to keep going.
Yeah.
So, we're actually doing a squad builder.
And I had this game before. My builder doesn't believe me.
We're going to get Ronaldo into this position.
He doesn't know.
What? We didn't get that.
You
one.
got Cristiano Ronaldo Team of the Year?
No, I only got this one. I got the normal one.
Couldn't have told me that. You gave me a ginormous fright when I saw that.
So we got left mid. So we're going to try and build up this whole squad.
Put on your other player what you got.
Oh yeah, I don't know, guys, but I feel cheating, but I will put in inform Suarez since I did pack him. I did pack him, so I might as well put him in.
If any girls
So
see this, you'll fall in love with Ronaldo.
If I was a girl, I would fall in love with him, to be fair with you. Well, that's true. I would if I was a girl.
That's his other player.
That's what I got. I could have put in Hazard, but he's at the left mid as well. I don't want anyone from this pack. I take Courtois, Lloris, or De Gea.
Guys, when I was younger, when FIFA went out, I took all the 80s, and I never took the 70s.
Oh, we got Shaqiri, and we got Fabio Coentro. We're going to put him in, since he will link up with Ronaldo. Shaqiri won't link up with Ronaldo.
Oh, I love the black card.
Oh, Baba, I got him earlier. Oh, shit, I didn't know that happened.
Don't you say shit.
Sorry. Why do I need a pencil? Go ahead for a minute.
I started.
Alright, guys, we're back. I got ahead because I'm just going to write down the names that I get, and we got Muller, Modric, and Carval. I'm going to put them definitely in the team.
For a second, I thought he was Ronaldo again.
So was I, actually.
No, I actually looked like on the screen. Dennis had the mustache.
I don't know about putting Muller in because I just did get rid of
Austin.
Shaqiri. Yeah, Austin.
Austin.
Inform Austin as well. Right, well, I'm going to write down Carval.
Is Muller on your team?
I'm not going to put him in because he has no one to link up with.
Okay. And guys, if you want to find out what this is called,
it's called Footwiz.
There'll be a link in the description.
No, you don't really need it because it's up there. What's up?
That says FIFA 15.
Yeah, because it is a 15 pack. Man of the match, Suarez!
You didn't get anyone.
Man of the match, Suarez!
Oh.
See everyone!
Okay, I was just crying for a second.
I just got informed, now I got man of the match. Alright, I'm trying to remember.
If you got man of the match, Ronaldo.
I don't know. Is he a man of the match, Ronaldo? I don't think there is.
But
Come on, I need a legend. I need to get a legend.
A legend?
Yeah, at least a legend anyways. I've got Danny.
And Cabela.
Oh wait, I forgot to change the fucking formation.
We're not allowed to swear in this video.
Sorry. I need to change it to a 3-4-3. I remembered that, so I'm going to put Danny into the team.
Guys, ignore his efforts, please. If he curses, he's sorry.
I'm putting Danny in the team because he does link up to Ronaldo.
Ronaldo.
Wait, did I put him? Yeah, I did. Alright. Next pack. Let's see who we get. De Gea! Alright, De Gea's definitely going in. Isco's definitely going in. And PK's definitely going in.
Is he be quiet?
He's PK. What the hell did I say?
Mata.
What's his name? P. I don't care.
Is that the hair or something?
That's De Gea. You got him.
Oh, sorry, guys, you're getting Z. I'll show you all.
Oh, PK, that's his name.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Alright, we'll have to look
6,
down.
7, 8, 9. Okay, we're finishing time, guys. I bet I was about to turn it off.
We have PK. We got Goethe. Damn it, we could have kept them.
Imagine I...
Oh, we have Coleman. I want to keep him because he is Irish.
Yeah, we live...
Oh, I can't put him
Just
down
to
anymore.
tell you, we're in Ireland. Because we
We're
live
from
here.
Ireland.
Yeah, we're Irish.
Who's that? Oh, we got Marcel. Oh, damn it. We already have a left back. Ever coming through. You know what? I'm going to put Marcelo down. I'm going to make...
Sorry, guys.
I'll try my best to make sure I put him in instead.
Actually, we're doing this video for 6 minutes and 26 seconds.
Wow. Oh, we got Rules Patrico. There's no one to link up with right now. Oh, wait, we got... Oh, yeah, I did put down Danny, didn't I? Yeah.
Oh, yeah, and guys, we're going to make a YouTube video of parkour because I'm getting Minecraft tomorrow. So I'm going to make a parkour.
Hernandez. And Bale. That's a great pack. They're going in. They're going in.
Where's Bale?
There.
There's Bale, everyone. If a girl's watching this, yeah. Big problem.
He's not sexy.
These are for girls.
Oh. That's why you're looking at the other side. Alright, so we have them down. I'm actually finding it a bit looking.
Go into FIFA 10.
No, they don't have cup. We got everything. Yeah, it's nothing to link up. What we got, I couldn't see because I was full of the close eye. Alright, well, that was a bad pack.
Is there any team of the years in FIFA 15?
Yeah.
Which ones?
Ronaldo and all that stuff. I got yesterday in my friend's house.
You got Messi? You got Ronaldo?
No, not that one. I got Team of the Year, Di Maria. We got Griezmann.
Okay,
I could play him instead of...
Guys, I'm doing this a few times so you can see.
I'm gonna put Griezmann down.
Or you could pause it. Okay, so go closer.
I'm putting Griezmann down, guys, because I could put him in instead of Danny.
Is there any Irish players on this?
No. And we got... Oh, I got trolled. I just got him the last pack. Stanley Kaka moved again.
Patrick, imagine I got my phone and at the end of the video I didn't stop it. I put on lips are moving.
Nazari and Goethe.
Let's see. Ooh, woohoo.
Nazari won't make up Danny. I already have our left hand, so if they change my formation, that's the point.
Let's see if you get a team of the
Oh, we
year.
got Milner. Inform shitty though.
What? For shit.
Yeah, shitty. Oh, I know him. He played beast against Real Madrid when they lost 1-0. Love him, but I already have a keeper. I'm gonna put him down actually.
Who's better, Real Madrid or Man United?
Obviously Real Madrid fans.
Are they the best team in the world?
No, I say Bayern would be the best team. Oh, we got Martinez. That's actually our first. We're gonna have to put him in. He's actually our first centre back. Is he actually?
It was hilarious.
No, PK.
It was hilarious because I tried to say Martina.
Well, he's going to link up to PK. Oh, he won't link up to Marcelo. Who's right back?
And any girls, you could buy this game. Really good.
Who's my right back? Oh, don't tell me I don't have a right back. Oh, Carval. Where's he from? Is he from Spain?
It's from you.
I think he's from Spain.
Put him onto the team.
Yeah, I did. I put him down.
Good.
Next player, we have got Jordi Alba.
Jordi Alba.
I'm going to put him in
Down.
because he's pacey at the back.
And that's the last person.
No, it's not.
The last person.
We need centre mids.
Okay, I'll tell you the last person's name because you might not be able to say it. Make new friends around the world. That's the other person.
This is going to be our last 3 packs.
3?
Yeah. Oh, we got Fabio again. We got Bella. We got PK again.
I'm thinking you're getting trolled. Really bad.
I'm getting trolled against Costa. I think it's Diego Costa, but still.
I think Ronaldo's trolling you.
This is our second last pack. We got Sacco. Oh, we got. No, that was a very.
Guys, if we get
our last pack, no luck pack.
If we have one
Hands,
more.
turn around.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got shit. Oh, Casillas, he's good.
Okay, guys, there's one more player, and it's called 10 Free Spins on. Okay.
So, guys, we're going to build our team now.
Well, guys, actually, we're going to do another pack opening a different day.
I don't want to build another hour. Oh.
We're going to go ahead for a second.
No, we don't need to go ahead.
Can I do something?
We need 3 4.
Guys, I'm going ahead for a second. What's that?
What's up, guys? We're back. My brother's doing something.
Yeah.
So it's going to be... Oh, he's done. No, I'm just going to pass him the camera. Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, we're taking Casillas on. How do you spell Casillas? Oh, there we go. Alright, so we've got Casillas. Where you got PK.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, we didn't get the informed version, actually. That's sad.
Guys, if you don't know, we're on a phone.
Yeah. Martinez. We don't need Manuel Neuer because we didn't get him. Yemi Martinez. We need to put down...
I hope you
What's it?
all see this.
Sorry, guys, I'm trying to look for... Carval. Is he Spanish? If he is, he'll link up very well. And sorry, guys, I was looking for the 343. It wasn't there. What's his name? Carval.
I'm sorry, guys. He doesn't know how to hold the camera.
Oh, we got... I forgot about Roberto.
Me either. We're just new to this channel.
How'd you spell Carval? Hold on. Oh, there we go. Why is he there? It's probably because I pressed there by accident. Our left back was Marcelo. I just felt so lucky. First pack we got Ting. Yeah, I packed that Di Maria, if you just saw that.
When is this video gonna end?
When I'm done. Alright, well, we'll maybe have to put... Well, my left forward's position's obviously Ronaldo. Not that one.
Because the other day you can see this, I'm doing something on my phone.
We have to get that Ronaldo, but we have to put him left forward. See that? Oh yeah. Alright, now we're going to put Danny down. Not Danny Welbeck. I hate Danny Welbeck. Right. Actually, hold on.
This is the end of the video before my hands
No,
break.
it's not. Oh, we're not going to put Danny down. Oh. We got Aguero. Press the wrong button. Please tell me it's still there. Oh, wow. I'll go ahead in this video.
1 sec.
Alright, guys. The app, I can't get in players. So we're not going to do squad builder. We're going to do some more packs.
So I guys need to do some really.
We got we got Schneider. Inform Schneider. Now, it's sad that I can't keep these packs. Now, I just still kind of happy that I got Ronaldo in the first pack. But now, we're after
Team of the Year!
There's no team of the year. That's man of the match, and I was about to say that. I was going for a man of the match. Alright, since we got the man of the match so quick, we're going for a legend. Or Messi. Or Ibra. Or Robin.
Will you put the man of the match on your team?
No. Messi!
There's no Messi. Here we go, say guys.
I already got Messi. I just said.
Okay, we're ending this video. We got too much players.
Yeah, I'm gonna end it. Just end it.
Treat, like, and subscribe.
Cheek, like, and subscribe. End it!
Because you know I'm
End it! No.